in this lecture, we discuss about power. What is power? The amount of electrical energy transferred per unit time by an electric circuit or an element is known as electric power. That is, power is equal to work upon time. Work, here you can say energy. Fine. तो जो अमाउंट है एनर्जी की ट्रांसफर्ड हुई है पर यूनिट टाइम किसी भी एलिमेंट के द्वारा, उसे आप इलेक्ट्रिक पावर कहते हैं. ठीक है. वर्क इज इक्वल टू W इज इक्वल टू QV, जो आपने इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स में पढ़ा है. ठीक है, अपने +2 में. तो पावर के लिए P, W का QV, टाइम के लिए T. ओके. पावर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज V into I. करंट इज इक्वल टू चार्ज बाय टाइम. From Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Here, I is equal to V by R. P is equal to V into I की वैल्यू आप यहाँ से रख सकते हैं. V by R, that is V square by R. Okay. Q is charge, V potential difference, and T is time. SI unit of power is watt. Okay. Here I told you some important point. Okay. Listen carefully. Let it consider it is a cell. Positive terminal, negative terminal. When a current is entered to the positive terminal, listen carefully. When a current is entered to the positive terminal of a cell or a battery, power is absorbed. Okay. And if the current is leaving the positive terminal of a cell, then it is delivered. Remember? ड्यूरिंग चेकिंग द साइंस ऑफ पावर, जब आप पावर का साइन चेक करते हैं तो टर्मिनल्स को चेक करना. आई टोल्ड यू द सिंपल मेथड. VI या -V -I. P is equal to VI, पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव, net positive. Okay. As similar in second quadrant, positive negative negative, negative negative, positive, and positive negative negative. Negative means power is delivered, that is source. Okay. Where the sign is positive, the power is absorbed, that is it acts as a sink. Okay. Let's suppose you have current dependent or voltage dependent sources. Say like this. Okay. Let's say this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Suppose current is entering in this. ठीक है. Here you can see that current is entering in the positive terminal. Okay. Then you suddenly say that when current is entering in positive terminal, then power is absorbed. Okay, fine. It is very easy. Okay. Fine. Similarly, this circuit is like this. Here, current source is present. In a voltage source, you can easily define current source C. Here, you see that the current is entering into the positive terminal. Okay, then you say that when the current is entering into the positive terminal, then power is absorbed. And you also say that also in this circuit, the power is absorbed. No, wait, this is wrong. In this, power is delivered, because when these occur, it's about internal circuit. Here, current is entering in the external circuit. Okay. When you check the sign of power, check about terminals. Okay. See. माइनस पे है ये, पॉजिटिव पे बिकॉज पॉजिटिव एंड से कनेक्टेड है. देन सी, करंट इज एंट्रिंग इनटू द पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल. ओके, current is entering. Here current is entering, but you can see that here the positive. Now see, current is leaving from the positive terminal of the battery. See, once again, I know it's some difficult, but it's not actually difficult. Simply see, here the positive current is leaving the, okay, current is leaving. That's why power is delivered. Remember one thing, power is directly proportional to brightness. It is very important point. Power is directly proportional to brightness. If you have any doubt regarding to power, then ask me in comment section.